beautiful people, and welcome to a loopy accessory earring DIY. So today we're gonna do some beautiful earring. I wore those earring to a jazz fest in Brooklyn, New York, in a brownstone, and I look really nice. My outfit was really plain; it was all black, and these earring was like they pop out the outfit. They make me look good, and I really enjoy making them because it was a really fun project. And you might need a lot of stuff. It might seem like it's a lot, but bear with me. We're gonna do this together and we're gonna look awesome. So, for this tutorial, you're going to need some cover button, flat back, and size vary depending on your liking. You need some recycled cardboard. I recycle cereal boxes to make earrings, so that's what I use for this specific DIY. And I had some fabric. For this DIY, I use some African Prince fabric and a glitter like silver fabric. And you'll need earring clasps to hook the circle cover button and the cardboard that you cut, and some earring backs so you could wear those beautiful earrings. And you're gonna need a hole puncher slash maker. I got mine from Amazon, the Beadsmith. And you're gonna need some E6000 glue to glue your earring back and your flat back cover button. And you're gonna need some fabric glue, very important. And then you're gonna need some scissor, obviously, to cut out the fabric, to cut out the paper and other things. You need a paper cutter, is optional, as if you have one you could use it, but you could use scissor to cut out everything. And a sewing machine depends, it's also optional. You could glue the fabric or you could hand sew them. So we're just gonna dive in with this DIY. So the first thing that I do, I draw out what it is that I want to do. And after I'm done drawing out, I just put all my equipment aside so I know this is exactly what I want to do. And then I draw approximately 3 to 6 inches rectangle with my ruler, and then I use the paper cutter to kind of cut the like a smooth cut of the rectangle. And if it's not that smooth, I use my scissors to fix it. So I have my piece of fabric for the top and the bottom. I do the top with the silver. I use the cover button kit to cover the button with the fabric. And after I was done with that, with both, I used the rectangle pieces cut so I could know exactly how much fabric I will need to cover the rectangle pieces. And then I use my sewing machine that to just like sew the size of the rectangle, like fold it in two and sew the size together. And the top, I use the fabric glue to put it together. For this part, I just fixed the little pockets and put the cardboard inside of it and use my fabric glue to just glue the top. And then bam, you have it. Now you use the earring clasps. So you make some holes first in your flat back earrings, both of them. And then after that, you draw the hole exactly so it could be in the middle for the rectangle part. So you make the hole in each of the pieces, and after that you use your earring clasps to hook them up together, to hook the top and the bottom hook together. And then when you're done hooking them up together, you use your E6000 glue to glue both earring backs together so you could wear these beautiful earrings. And bam, there you have it. These amazing earrings, which I love. I think they look fabulous. Yes. And this is me at the event wearing them. So thank you for watching and hope you enjoy. Bye.